The opposition member of parliament told Nightly News on Friday that in relation to a civil lawsuit reportedly filed against her by the Attorney General, Anil Nandlall, she has not received any court documents and neither did her attorney.
As of today, Friday, July the 9th, 2021, I, Annette Ferguson, have not received any documents from any court documents, so to speak. Two, likewise, my attorney, I checked in with my attorney this morning, too, and his office has not received anything neither.
Ferguson told Nightly News, however, that she's willing and ready to defend herself in the matter should the case be officially filed against her anytime soon.
If any document is filed against me, I will make myself available. I am available. I am accessible.
Ferguson says she believes that the intended lawsuit against her is in retaliation to a case she recently won against the Vice President, Bharat Jagdeo, where she sued him for libel and won. In June, the Attorney General announced that he intends to file legal action against Ferguson, seeking damages to the tune of $10 million for comments she allegedly made during a roundtable discussion on electoral reform, which was hosted by the European Union at the Artichoke Conference Centre. Ferguson is alleged to have said that Nandlall was found distributing ID cards to persons in Monrepo on the east coast of Demerara on Election Day 2020. Ferguson said that the Attorney General will have to prove to the court that she did say such, as she distanced herself from the comments. Nandlall, on the other hand, purports that she made those comments in the presence of at least 30 others. Meanwhile, responding to two motions which were filed by the leader of the opposition, Joseph Harman, against two ministers of government, Frank Anthony and Robeson Benn, Ferguson posited that her opposition team is not as concerned about the success of the passage of those motions as much as the revelations which will be made during the course of debates over the motions.
Then, by way of this motion, we will get, the facts out there.
Ferguson cited that her opposition colleague MPs have all lost confidence in the way the government of the day has been managing the COVID-19 situation as well as crime, among other matters. Preceding the motions filed by Harman, the government has been embroiled in a vaccine procurement scandal as well as strong opposition to a move deemed unconstitutional where the administration is seeking to establish a regional security team purportedly intended to fight crime, which Ferguson believes is rising. The notion of an increase in crime was supported by former President David Granger, who stated that he believes that crime is not being accurately reported during a PNC program, The Public Interest, on Friday. The Department of Public Information reported in April that the Ghana Police Force has recorded a 35% decrease in serious crimes between January and March 2021 when compared to the same period in 2020. To date, there has not been an official release by the police force on crime statistics in the country. Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, Wendell Badri.